often get asked if a client's thinking about doing windows and siding, kind of which one goes first, which one should go second. It's always great to do, if you're going to do both, windows and siding in conjunction with each other is a great choice, because that's how you get the maximum efficiency and performance as well as the best overall look. Partly because when we do Hardie siding, we're removing all of the existing layers of siding that are on the home currently. We don't go over the top of anything. It all comes off. So then we have ability to replace the windows pretty easily once all the siding's off, and you can get access to those window frames. And the nice thing is when the new window goes in, we use rubber butyl flashing tape around all the windows and doors. We use metal flashing over the door and window headers before the siding goes up. So you get that awesome efficiency that comes with it, where there's no air gaps, there's no room for moisture to leak through, and you just get a much better overall finish. Typically, you can save a little bit of money by doing both siding and windows in conjunction with each other at the same time. I think for the homeowners, it's just a better experience when we can logistically plan them to happen in the correct order, so that there's less disruption to their life and to their home. And then, like I said, you get the best overall finish that way.